Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So we talked earlier, IOTA completed the double bottom, hitting all the targets. We also got the first cross rotation zone, came back catching on the first cross rotation zone, so that is all done. And actually, final target was the end of this clear path, which it did hit. Gave us a nice new defining point for the trend line, which is just above the trigger for this potential double bottom. So now we are watching for this to trigger, which will be another long buy signal. Where are the targets for that? There's a first target area based off a daily chart, which can also be used in front of the traditional stop reduction of 0.43505. This 0.4249 level, which is the end of a clear path, and the declining 200. So anywhere in this area could be used as stop reduction. And then the next target is 0.454225, then 0.4734. So that looks like how it's going to unfold. It still has to close. Instead of watching it close above 0.3967, we're also going to need a close above this trend line defining point, 0.3980. So there's just a little update with that defining point being right there, and that would trigger the trade to the upside. You can then see it's still going to be slightly lower probability because it is against rotation zone. There's no guaranteeing it will stop here, but it is slightly lower probability, so we'll be watching. It really needs to get through the upper end of this rotation zone, and it could easily do something like spike through, hit some of these key levels, and then drop down. So it's not going to prevent us from taking a trade, but we're not going overly aggressive. Switching over to Litecoin, which also had this double, and you could see how powerful the upper target was. Look at how long it sat there, and it had the 200 moving average right in that place, bouncing against it repeatedly. Then we finally taken off. So now what are we looking for on this? Let's zoom out to the daily chart. That's going to be the best thing we can look at. Here's our daily chart. Looks like we can get our first cross. Already hit the significant level we've had on this chart for quite some time, the 63.30. Now we're pulling back, so these pullback moves can be buys. It can pull back and kiss the trend line goodbye. The eventual target for this is 65.86. Then we'll be looking, if it gets through there, for 68.03. Back to the 4 hour really quick. And again, rotation zone breaking out of congestion. So there's going to be key support right around this 57.82. So if we do pull back there, don't be shocked, don't be surprised. It also comes in with the rising rotation zone. Or we could pause and let this catch up. We are at this significant level, we've pulled back below this clear path right now, so don't be surprised if we do pull back, but these are adding opportunities for this Litecoin US dollar breakout. So we have for you on both IOTA and Litecoin. We will talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for all your comments. Bye for now.